our Junior 1 Clone Light Heat Race number 3. Starting on the pole, it'll be the 24 of Tristan Martin. On the outside of Tristan Martin will be the 32 of Wayne New. Row number 2 on the inside will be the 160 of Grayson Maggard. On the outside will be the 98 of Hudson Dealey. Round number 1 heat race winner was the 32 of Wayne New. Stacking them up here. They're anxious to go green. Lights are off and they're out of 4. Green flag in the air.
Well, Peter, let's start staging.
Martin, you're on the As New now on the inside of Martin as they go to turn 3 and 4. Your new race leader, the 32 of Wayne New. The 24 of Martin in second. And the 98 of Dealey in third. Four laps in for the 32 of Wayne New. White flag is out. One more lap to go for the 32 of Wayne New. Checker flag in the air for the 32 of Wayne New. Round number 1 and round number 2, heat race winner. Here we go, for heat race number 4. Starting on the pole, round number 1 heat race winner, the 91 of Hoyt Miller. On the outside of Hoyt Miller will be the 70 of Chase DeMint. And row number 2 will be the 17 of Rice Mitchell. Lights are going off. Looking to go racing. Green flag in the air.
Pro Predator, I need you staged now. Pro Predator 360, I need you staged now.
Taking lap number 1. Mitchell in second. DeMint in third. Miller, still your leader on lap number 4 as they come out of turn number 4. White flag in the air. One more lap to go for the 91 of Hoyt Miller. Checker flag in the air for the 91 of Hoyt Miller. Round number 1 and round number 2, heat race winner.